In the previous two videos, we have learned how to make a rectangular box, and then we have learned how to make an ice cube. Now moving forward in this video, we will use mainly a tool known as Sweep tool, from which we will make a project. I will show the figure of it. This is paper clip. We will make it in 3D in this PD. So let's start. So by starting by making a sketch on its ground plane. So click on a sketch, create a sketch, choose our ground plane, align it. Okay. See the figure here. This is curve at this here and this. So we have to make an sketch looking like this. Firstly, we have to make a sketch. We will make it ready. It's a secondary matter. Firstly, we have to make a sketch of this. So start by making it. It was started from something here. Drop it here. Again choose line tool by pressing L. Let's draw it again here. Press L again for line tool. Make it something wider. I think that's good. Okay. Sorry. Press enter. Let's see what is happening here. This line will go here and then here. We have to make a line up to here. So press again L or choose it from here. Draw a line up to here. Okay. For connecting this, we have a tool in Fusion called arc tool. We will select tangent arc. We can choose the 2 points from which we have to make tangents. So we have to make tangents from here to here, here to here, okay, here to here, okay. And it may looks good if we made a tangent also. So let's draw a line. Firstly a small line, I think. Again choose arc tool, tangent arc, draw a arc from here to here. Okay, that's good. Fine. The sketch of our paper clip is ready. So the tool we have to use in it is Sweep tool. So firstly we have to make a profile to using this tool. I will show you. Press S for search and search Sweep. It asks for a profile, and the path we have done that this is the path for which we have to do, and we have to make a profile. How do we made to sweep? Which profile we have to make sweep? So firstly make a profile from here. Firstly we have to make a sketch on, I think, this plane. Sorry, I selected the wrong plane. We have to draw a line, a circle, so that we can sweep. We have to make a circle here. This is the line. The circle is swept from here to here to here. Okay. So make a circle at this point. We need a smaller circle. So we will choose, I think 0.5 may be good, I guess. I think this must be more. 1 mm may be good. I think that's good. So finish sketch. Again we will select sweep tool, choose our profile. We will choose our path, this and this will also our path. We don't need any taper angle. If we select any taper angle, see what happened. Nothing happening here, and we have not taken more distance here. If we give something less distance, I think this will not working as our body intersecting each other. So we can choose twist angle. Twist will be allowed, but we don't need this in this video. Orientation will be perpendicular or parallel. I think this is good, and operation new body. Press OK. So our project is ready. Thank you.